name is 685, reppin' Samoan's pride. Big waves crashing with the ocean's tide. Sun soaked hustle, never learn to hide. All you see is struggle, but we born to ride. Island rhythm taking over, feel the sway. Savage with the culture, breaking day by day. Tattooed backs tell stories, no sway. West Coast beats, but the soul don't stray. We the Samoan kings, living dreams, making waves. Climbing every mountain, shouting out our days. From the 68-4 to the 68-5. Pain, island hearts true, never break, never cave. Yo, shout out to all my Usos. Got the island love, steady like the waves roll. Circle tight, bond strong with every beat. Living dreams on these streets. West Coast fusion, mix it with the chant. Samoan soul, you can feel it in every stanza. Sipping kava, dreaming dreams vibes. Though our spirit's strong, ain't no need to ask. From the Samoa, the streets of LA. Samoan blood run deep, pave the way. Storytellers evolve, in these vibes we convey. Living legend status in each word we spray. Samoan kings, living dreams, making waves. Climbing every mountain, shouting out our days. From the 68-4 to the 68-5. Pain, island hearts true, never break, never cave. From the Samoa, the streets of LA. Samoan blood run deep, pave the way. Storytellers evolve, in these vibes we convey. Living legend status in each word we spray. The Samoan kings, living dreams, making waves. Climbing every mountain, shouting out our days. From the 68-4 to the 68-5, babe.